today we are going to be tearing down a few barns. First one that's going to go, and then this little like playhouse, we're going to tear this down too. We are going to rip this section off of this garage. All right guys, I wanted to show you what it looks like from my point of view, because on the time lapse it doesn't really do it justice. So you can see this is underneath that deck. There's all these pipes, there's all these concrete bricks here. Now I posted all these bricks $1 a piece. I'm hoping somebody comes and picks them up. If not, we'll have to get rid of them, or I might just post them for free, because that'll save me on disposal a little bit. I mean, they're nice bricks, but I have no use for them. But yeah, as you can see, this whole pile right here, that's what I would like to get on the trailer. All right, so this whole area is pretty much knocked down. Got all the metal off of it. I got somebody who's gonna come pick up all those bricks that you see. And I also have a guy who's gonna come pick up all this metal. So I'm about to call them, have them pick up that stuff. I didn't bring my trailer with me on this first load. I'm gonna have to go get it because I just wanted to do demo today. I'm by myself. So I'm gonna start demoing that. If I can get all that down, I might do one load of all this wood. Clean up this area really good, it'll all be done. Clean up that area as well and hopefully get rid of these bricks and metal and we'll be done. So now I'm gonna start working on that area over there. Guys, I swear it's always something. You see those 3 bees? Obviously these bees were inside this beam. I had no idea. Maybe that was the 3 hole. Oh, there's a bunch of holes, so I don't know if they died. I mean, I just hit the beam. Maybe the vibration just shook them up or something, but it's always something here. For some reason, this thing's still standing. I knocked out all the beams. These little running boards are keeping it. And this board, actually, I couldn't get it out, but I think it's kind of saving the whole thing from falling. At any moment, if I pull on it, it should all come down. So there's one more beam there I got to knock out, and I might knock out these beams and see if I can just pull this away from the house. I got to cut all these wires. But yeah, that's the next step. So everything's going pretty good so far. Only one wasp left. So he must have been here after the nest got destroyed and he's mad. But yeah, we're about to knock this whole thing down. Well, that couldn't have went any better, guys. That was awesome. So I do have to tear down these little pieces right here. And now we can see underneath this soffit looks completely messed up too, but I'm gonna just hit these boards off, but gotta clean up all this. So like I said, I'm gonna go get my trailer, connect it, clean up all this wood, put all these bricks in a pile. Now it's the fun part. Everything's pretty much demoed down, so it's nice. Come through, rip off all these metal tops, and just hopefully be done pretty soon. So yeah, that's why I'm gonna go get my trailer, and then I'll start loading up this wood. What do you guys think? Pretty crazy how that thing fell, right? First time I had to tear it off a building like that, but it went pretty good. I knew when I came here that it was kind of sitting on that piece right there. So if you guys like videos like this, let me know. I want to know what you guys want to see. If you like the time lapse, let me know, or if you want it just to be in real time. I mean, the video would probably have been like 12 hours by now or something, so just let me know. But I'm about to load this up, and this also is what the aftermath of termites are. So luckily I have an all metal trailer as well, but like I said, I'm about to go get my trailer and load up this other stuff, guys, so enjoy. All right, guys, we're down to the last section. These poles are a little bigger than the other ones, so I don't think I can actually lift those out. I probably could, but I'm not trying to impress anybody here. I just really want to get this done. I mean, this one obviously is still small. You guys seen me lift some of those out. So what I'm going to do is probably knock that board across the top. Then I'm going to wrap a chain around these and see if we can just pull them, hook it right up to the bumper of this dump trailer. So that's what we're going to do now. Well, that couldn't have went any better. As you can see, the chain method worked. Pulled those out, put them on there. Now I just got to rip off this metal, pick up this little wood and do some raking, and we're pretty much done. And then I just got to go across. I'm gonna take that board off for the guy. I mean, he probably would be fine if I left it, but I'm gonna just do it just because I think it'll look better. And then I just got to have my scrap guy come pick up that pile, and that's it, man. So I'm gonna get back to it. All right guys, can you believe it? I'm finally done. I think this looks good. I raked it all. I do have to get this piece of wood off, but I'm not gonna show you guys that. I'm gonna work on that real quick. It shouldn't take much time at all. I'm also gonna run this magnet through here because anybody who's cutting grass or anything after me, they do not want to get a flat tire either, I'm sure. I'm gonna have my buddy come pick up this scrap metal, but yeah guys, so let's just go over everything we've done. There was this play set here. That thing was full of termites. I had a couple YouTube shorts. You'll have to look at those because it was absolutely infested. I did get some on the GoPro too. There was a huge barn there. There was some antique farm equipment and stuff. Besides that, nothing really good came from this job. Maybe could have got a couple $100 in scrap, but it was easier just to give it away. And then over here, we knocked this down. Didn't damage the building. He wanted to keep this other building. He's getting a new renter in here soon. So I think that all went pretty good. We didn't damage anything. We took a lot of stuff out of here. So I think that was like the 5th load right now. So that dump trailer is about a 15 cubic yard dump trailer. So we took a bunch of stuff. That's not including, I had a guy come for all the metal and all the bricks. So hopefully the customer likes it. I'm about to send him the pictures right now. I never even actually met this customer. Yeah guys, let me know what you think. Do you want to see more videos of me just doing demo? Should be a pretty decently long video when it's all said and done. We got a lot of footage, and thanks for watching as always. And let me know if you guys want to see like more up close stuff. I mean, I'm just really in there beating stuff, you know. There was bees coming out of the beams. It was just absolutely crazy, all the critters and stuff we ran into. No snakes or anything, luckily. And there did look like there was rats in here at one time, but we didn't see any either. So it's just one of those things. But yeah, thanks for watching guys. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this, and we'll see you guys next time.